Hello everyone, welcome to Krishna Kalaratri channel. Today I am going to share a very simple guided meditation. Our body is having total 7 major chakras and I will explain one by one, then we will do the meditation. Actually, the first one will be crown chakra, that is Sahasrara chakra, and each and every chakra is having separate color and bija mantras. Sahasrara, that is nothing but Vibjya colors, violet, and the bija mantra will be either Om or Am. Next one is Anya chakra, and in this same Om or Am bija mantras, and the color will be indigo. And next it comes the throat chakra, and the color is blue, and the bija mantra is Hum. Next one is heart chakra. The bija mantra will be Yum, and the color is green. Next one is 3 finger breaths above our navel point. That is solar plexus chakra. Color is yellow, and the bija mantra is Ram. Next one, 3 finger breaths below our navel point. That is our Hara chakra or sacral chakra. The color is orange, and the bija mantra will be Vam. And next one is the root chakra, and that is below our backbone, and the color is red. Mooladhara chakra, bija mantra is Lam. And each and every chakra is having its own quality. Actually, we are doing meditation to connect ourselves with a higher energy body. Actually, now we will start our meditation, and the crown chakra is for spirituality, and next one is Agnya chakra is for intuition, throat chakra is for communication, heart chakra is for love, and solar plexus chakra is our inner energy, and that Sahasrara chakra is for creation, and the Hara chakra is for energy, and the root chakra is for our total strength. Now we will move on to our meditation. Before meditation, you should sit in a comfortable position. Our spine should be erect and close your eyes. Now we will start doing meditation in each and every chakra. Actually, now I will show you for meditation for each and every chakra 1 minute. You can afterwards increase for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and you will definitely see the difference. Shall we start? And now we are going to do the meditation. First, Sahasrara chakra. Just imagine a bright golden ball is coming down, and it activates the crown chakra, and the crown chakra expands about 3 to 5 feet, and the bija mantra is Am. Now the energy ball, it separates from the crown chakra, comes down and merges in the Agnya chakra. Agnya chakra, same bija mantra. Am, 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 am. Um, 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 um. Now, it will separate from the Anya chakra. It comes to throat chakra. Throat chakra, bija mantra. Hum, 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 hum. Now it separates from the throat chakra, comes down to heart chakra. Bija mantra. Yum, 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 yum. Now it separates from the heart chakra, comes down and merges with solar plexus chakra. Yellow in color. Ram, 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 ram. Now it separates from the solar plexus chakra, comes down and merges with sacral chakra or hara chakra. Bija mantra. Vam, 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 vam. Now it separates from the sacral chakra and merges with the root chakra. Root chakra bija mantra. Lam. Color is red. Lam, 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 lam. Now it separates from the root chakra. Again it merges with sacral chakra. Relax, relax, relax. Slowly observe the sounds outside. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for watching.